RVs sometimes tend not to have a lot of storage space. So what we did is we added more in a very simple way. We have a 264BH. So that is a Jayco RV. So the bunkhouse in the back, no slide room. So this is our kitchen area that we're looking at. They, from the factory, have this main cabinet over top of the sink. And that's it. This cabinet right here is what we added. This used to be a wide open space. And we wanted more storage, so we actually put the kids' clothes up in here to store. Just a normal, regular cabinet, just like the one we have here. So how we got to this and how we did this was where we bought the RV at. We ordered another cabinet of this. So this exact cabinet, faceplate, end cap, doors, frame, everything. We ordered a whole extra set, because in parts breakdown they will give you an extra set option, so you can order each individual piece by piece. Comes with all the hardwares, things like that. So we ordered an entire extra set. All we had to do was assemble. So the face frame was already there, had an end cap, had a bottom piece, had the inner floor liner, everything came with it. I had hardware so I could put screws in, and it wasn't a big deal. But you can get the whole entire set nice like that. All I had to do was put it together, and it looks like it's from the factory. There's plenty of place to install it, add it on. I mean, stepping back, you can see it looks like it was there originally. Everything lines up, color and everything in between. There is still a gap on the end here, which isn't a big deal. We'll lose that little bit of space to gain more cabinetry that looked exactly like it did from the factory, even at the ceiling. It did not get in the way of everything, did not get in the way of the function of the windows, things like that. Give us more place to hang, paper towel holders and things like that. If I wanted to go an extra step further, I could order more of the wood panel and make a shelf, or I thought about putting in some of that cargo netting and just having something for stuffed animals and things like that to just get stored in there. But I chose not to go that option. I just wanted to have a simple cabinet and throw more things in there and go that route. So it was a very easy way. It cost me only a couple $100 to add in more storage that tends to be at a premium in RVs. Another place that we were able to add storage was over here over top of the dinette. They always have this overhead compartment, and from the factory it had this door, and it had a panel that was stapled in here. So you technically could not access this area unless you reached around the corner, which is very weird. It's very dead space. Yeah, you have to reach over top the table, but it's very unnecessary. So what I did was I ordered another door panel. Same door here, just ordered another door of it. It's the exact same size and shape. I ordered an extra set of hardware. Instead of having it on one side or the other, possibly running issues for clearances, things like that, and whatever side you're on, I wanted to put it in the center. So all you do is open it from the center and open up, you have access to it. So that was how I was able to increase storage space, or usable storage space, so I didn't have things get lost behind the corners and things like that. So I was able to increase storage space and user capability, and made it more user friendly in the end, so we can store more things just like that. So that was another way we were able to add more storage space utilization to our smaller bunkhouse camper. In the bedroom area, we added command hooks to the wall. That allows us to hang up things on the wall easy. Any kind of hats, coats, sweatshirts, things we were using commonly. And then we also hung some bags in case we need to put things in them, pajamas, things like that, and need to be stored, phones, anything like that. Be stored in those bags. We can take them down as we need them. So you got plenty of command hooks for things like that to be able to hang on the wall in the bedroom area, so it's not taking up closet space or just laying on the floor or on the bed.